the installation of CloudSIM. So for installation of CloudSIM involves four major steps. Firstly, we need to install the Java setup. So let's check whether we have Java setup in our system or not. We need to check whether Java setup is already installed in the system or not. So go to C drive and then program file. Yes, as I have already installed Java setup, I'm having this. So if not installed, just open your favorite browser, then search for Java and go to Java SE downloads. Open JDK download, and here you can find the Windows 64-bit installer, which is around 150.56 MB. You need to download this exe file. You need to download this. We need to open the exe file which we have downloaded. You can find it here. As I have already installed it, it is not reopening and reinstalling it. Press click yes on it, and then moving on to the next step. As you can see here, the installation process of the Java. Click as next, and then click in, next here, and the status is showing like it's loading. The exe format will automatically install in the default drive. You need to close the Java SE development 16.0.1 64-bit successfully installed in the default drive. You need to close this. The next step is to set the path variable for Java. Further, we need to open the C drive and then program files. Go to Java, open JDK 16.0.1 and then bin. Here where the Java is installed in your default drive, just copy the address and just minimize it. In your system set, search for system environment. Here you can find the environment variables. In system variables, select path, click on edit, and then click on new. Just paste the copied address and press OK, and then OK. This is how the Java installation has been done. The next step is to install. We need to download the CloudSIM and then and the additional jar file. To download CloudSIM 3.0.3. By searching CloudSIM 3.0.3, here we comes with the downloading page. Here we need to download the CloudSIM 3.0.3 zip file. It's downloading. After downloading, now we are going to download Common Math3. For downloading Common Math3 jar file, type common matrix matrix. Here you can find the first one, math, download commons math. The download page for the common matrix has been, as you can see here. Download the zip file. It's around 21.2 MB. Next step is to download Eclipse IDE. As I have already downloaded Java 64-bit, I am going to download the Eclipse IDE of 64-bit now. Eclipse IDE 64-bit. So type Eclipse download in your browser and open the first thing. Click download. The Eclipse IDE is started downloading. The Eclipse file, Eclipse IDE file is already downloaded now. Just open the Eclipse IDE file in your downloader and click on it. Now we need to click install. Now click launch. It will take few more minutes to launch Eclipse IDE. Click on this option and click launch. Completed successfully. Now we need to put the last step. Now we need to put the common math jar file into a jar folder of CloudSim. We need to open CloudSim. We need to extract the zip file. I have already extracted here, as you can see here. We need to open here. In this we need to paste the jar file, common math jar file. So that we need to move on to the common math folder. Open the common math folder. Here copy the common math jar file and we need to paste this in the CloudSim open jar folder. You need to paste the common math folder, common math file here. Build a new Java project with the CloudSim. Now open file, click on new Java project and click on project name. Put the name here, project name. And we need to select the location. And we need to keep it as the CloudSim 3.0.3. After selecting the location where we want to install our Cloud SIM, click on next. Here the Java settings have been opened. Now here we can see the source, projects, libraries, order and export. By clicking on libraries, here we can see some Cloud SIM jar files and our common math Java files that has been appended to it. Now click finish. Here click don't create because we don't want to create any new module. Here we have our new project with the Cloud SIM A, and we have the example folder here. As you can see here, we have selected the examples, and from the example, the Cloud Simple example one, I have taken it, and by taking one, we have got this the whole program. And by running this program, we can get the result in the console. So we can write any Java logic we need in this program, and by running this program, we can get the result in the console. Let's run the program. After running this, we can see that the result in the console area that simulation has been completed, and this is the output. So in this way, we need to install the Cloud SIM. Thank you.